Hi everyone, my name is Akhil and welcome back to a quick Blender tutorial. So in today's video, what we are going to do, we're going to talk about the camera. Okay, we did talk about the lights, we did talk about the objects and a lot of other things. So today would be very interesting about the camera. So if we know about the camera, right, in the animation world, so it is very important because that is something we will use to show what exactly animation is there. Okay, that represent an eye of the viewer. So okay, I'm in default screen. So in the default screen I do have the light, camera and the object. So now if I select the camera, then I do have some basic thing which you guys know already. So I want to move the camera. Oops, I want to move the camera to X direction, Y direction and Z direction. So if you have seen my videos earlier, you would have known this basic configurations. You can also rotate this. So you can also doing like this, or else you can simply click on this little arrow and then here you can rotate it 90 degree at the X in the X angle. All right, and you can also scale it bigger, smaller. So those are some basic things which you can do that. Now what we want to do is we want to move this camera from one line so that I can cover my object with a different locations. Okay, so I'll tell you what I mean to say. So this is my camera. What I will do, I will press Shift A, then I'll get the camera. Oh, sorry. I'll press Shift A, then I'll get the curve and the path. Okay, I will move this path a bit up and the left. I'll make it bit bigger. Okay, so now I want my camera to follow this path. Okay, it will basically start from here and then it will move forward. Now I will select my camera. Okay, first I will select this path. I'll change it to edit mode and I select the very initial point over here. Okay, then I press Shift S and then cursor to selected. Second thing, I will change back to the object mode. I'll select the camera, Shift S, then selection to cursor. Alright, so now my camera is fixed at this starting point. Now I want my camera to move. At this time, if you move this, run this animation frames, right, then nothing will happen because you have not done yet anything. So now I will move back to this frame 0. Now I want my camera to move. So for that, what I'll do is I'll select the camera, Shift, I'll select the path, then Control P. So once I do that, then I do have this follow path. I will select that, and now if I run this, if you see, the camera is moving, is following the path, right? Very easy. Camera is moving the path. Now what will happen? I'll just shorten this window to 100. What will happen, let's say if I'm moving this camera to follow the path. Now if I go to the camera view, what happens? If you see that it's running but the object is somewhere else, so it's not basically doing anything. Now let's make it useful. So what I'll do, I'll come out from the camera view, I'll select the camera. Okay, then I do have this constraint. I'll add this and then drag to, and here I can select my cube. Okay, now doing this, how it happens is, now if I switch again to camera view and I will move the camera, then my camera will always focus on this cube. That's quite useful when you want to track an object from the different angle. That's really useful. All right, you will not lose that object if you enable that, because in this configuration you have said that I want to track this cube. All right, very useful. I come out from the camera, and if you see here, then it's really smoothly is happening. So similar way you can create a lot of things. You can actually add the cameras, and you can make it focus on, you can change the object and a lot of other things. All right, so that's all for this this video. We'll see you in the next video. Thank you.